Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the dashboard core and exposing the damaged zone. This gives you direct control. Once trim and vents are off, measure the hole and note the dash material so you choose compatible fillers. Next, clean and bevel the edges to promote adhesion. Why? Because roughened, dust-free surfaces bond stronger. Make sure to tape surrounding panels to protect finish. Now that the site is prepped, move immediately to build a backing and base layer. You now create a stable backing. Slide a thin plastic or perforated metal plate behind the hole, securing it with adhesive or screws so filler has support. Once in place, apply a base epoxy or flexible dashboard filler in thin coats. This prevents sagging and shrinks less. After the first coat cures, add reinforcing cloth or mesh, then more filler to build contour. Take your time shaping each layer to match surrounding curves. Sanding between layers yields a You complete the repair by sanding progressively to blend the patch into the dash. Start coarse, then refine, then apply primer, recreate any grain with texture pad, and top coat with matched paint. Once painted, reinstall trim and check alignment. If paint or filler cracks later, inspect the backing and confirm each layer was cured per product instructions. Improper cure or insufficient backing is the only common cause of failure. If that happens, remove the patch, increase backing rigidity, and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.